got messed up a little bit, but it's all good. We got through it. Y'all held us down. Appreciate it.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
And you all are welcome to join our crew anytime. Because that does bring us to the end of our world famous studio tour. Gonna hear it up again for Jessica for getting us back to the park safely. Woo! All right, everybody, want to thank you all for joining us today, especially our season pass holders. If you're not a season pass holder, please visit the box office or any of our upgrade kiosks to see how you can turn today's ticket into an annual pass to come back and see us again real soon for the opening of Super Nintendo World in early 2023, everybody. In the meantime, be sure to download the Universal Studios Hollywood app to get up-to-the-minute park information, including ride wait times and show times. And to confirm, the park does close tonight at 9 p.m. On behalf of Jessica, myself, and everybody here at NBC Universal, we hope you've enjoyed your exclusive behind-the-scenes Hollywood experience. And we want to thank each and every one of you once again for coming here to Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA. That's a wrap. Roll credits. To purchase any of the films you've seen here on screen today, go to www.upn.com.